Hey, what's up, YouTube? We
What's
coming
up?
at you with another video. What's up, y'all? Another scrumptious mukbang.
That's right.
Another scrumptious mukbang in the building, y'all. Yes, yes, yes. Today,
We have.
and what is that drum roll?
Can I get a what? We have pizza. We have pizza. And guys, guess what? Just to let you know, pizza is my favorite food. Oh, I love pizza. He knows that. That's my favorite food. So we're excited about today's mukbang.
She love pizza, y'all.
That's
I
right.
mean,
I'm so
absolutely.
excited about today's mukbang.
Absolutely.
Because I was wondering, when are we going to do pizza? All right, so.
Yeah. But no, today, guys, we have Pizza Hut. We're going to do, we have two pizzas here, and we're going to kind of give our review, our feedback.
Yeah.
Basically, on the crust, we have a pan pizza here, and we have a thin crust.
Yes.
So it's pan versus thin crust. Okay, guys?
Yes.
So.
And also, guys, if you have not been to, well, of course, I know you all have been to Pizza Hut, and they have the different flavors that you can put around your pizza. So one is, my favorite is Hut's favorite. And then also this one that we're trying today is the
roasted toast.
Parmesan toasted flavor around your pizza.
What they do is they put it around the crust, and when they put it in the oven, it bakes it on there, and it is so yummy.
Good. Do you want some? All right, guys. So yeah. So let's get into it, baby. Let's get into it. We guys gonna give you a review, or just tell you what we think our favorite is on the.
What's better?
Yeah, what's better?
You know?
Ooh, look at that.
And that.
Okay, here's the pan crust.
Pizza. Mine is the pan. Look at the pan. Oh, we got a glare, I think, but it's okay. Oh yeah, from that end. See that? That's the pan crust, guys.
This is the thin crust.
Thin crust. All right, so we got some plates. I don't know if in your city, if Pizza Hut gives you plates, but ours do. They give you plates, so yeah. So we're getting ready to dig in. Ready to dig in? Okay, let me get a thin crust. So we're gonna do.
So comment down in the section down below and tell us what is your, or do you have a favorite type of crust? Is it rather if it's thin or if it's pan crust? So let us know.
All right. So we're gonna try the thin crust first.
And this on the Parmesan toasted thin crust.
Let's try, guys. By the way, it has double pepperoni on there. We're getting a little glare from the sun. As you in. It has bell peppers. Do you want some? Woo. Lord have mercy.
It is so good, guys.
All right, so we tried the thin, so let me try the pan now. Come on, baby. This is the pan. God, I'm getting a glare.
Yeah. That was good, y'all. They put a lot of sauce. Can y'all see that? It's a lot of sauce. It's like that initial burst of flavors. It's good. I like it. I like the.
I got 99 problems, but pizza ain't one. You see, I haven't said nothing because it's the sauce that's so good.
It's just.
I think we're getting a glare from the. But who wins this today?
Yeah. All right, guys. So, do I like the thin crust or the pan?
My pan is devoured.
I guess you can see I'm really enjoying the pan because, I mean, it's almost gone. But, you know.
But my review on the thin crust, I like it, but I like the pan better. That's just my opinion. Okay.
But yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the pan today also. This pan is on point.
All right, bro.
So that's our review.
You and I, we agree.
And if I had to rate it, I would give it like the pizza in whole all together. As a whole, I'll give it a 10. Because why? It's my favorite food. So yeah, I think I like it.
It's one of my favorite foods, but not my favorite. One of, but not. And I give it a 10 also. So man, we're in agreement. We're 10 and 10 on our review.
So for those who haven't tried the Parmesan toasted flavor on your pizza, go to Pizza Hut. I think you will really, really enjoy it if you haven't tried it. If you have tried it and you really like it, you know what I'm talking about.
I forgot to put that on there.
But yeah, go ahead and check it out. So
Parmesan cheese, I forgot to put some.
That's that for that.
I want to thank our new subscribers for subscribing to us.
That's right.
On this journey, on this exploring journey of YouTube.
That's right.
Thank you.
So,
and I hope you're doing okay.
So, don't forget to
subscribe to our channel. Push that red button and subscribe. It's free. All you gotta do is push it. It's not a charge.
That's right.
Subscribe. Don't forget to hit that post notification. So when we post a video, you'll be able to see the content.
That's right. And also, don't forget to like. Come on, guys. Hit that like button. The thumbs up.
Smash that like button.
Smash it. That's right. And also, put some comments in the section down below and let us know what's your favorite, if it's thin crust or pan. And so, until the next time, we are never apart from you.
Peace.